Hello, everyone. A big warm welcome to the Special Needs Children podcast with me, Chitra Iyer, and my husband, Ravi Iyer.
Hi.
It feels almost unreal to say this out aloud, but it's the 100th episode.
Congratulations.
Congratulations to all of us.
Yes.
These years have gone by so quickly and so quietly. What began as a small intention has slowly now become a living, breathing community. When I first started the Special Needs Children podcast, the idea was very focused. I wanted families to understand about financial planning, legal responsibilities, long term protection, the practical foundations we must build for our children and adults with special needs. But somewhere along the way, something beautiful happened. The conversations grew much deeper, the stories became richer. The podcast actually moved from all of these numbers and documents to people and all their purposes.
And in fact, Chitra, you started off the whole thing as an audio podcast.
Yeah,
Then you moved on to making it a video podcast.
became video, right? And thanks to this team that's out here of Talkaholics, that we could do this. We began first, documenting journeys, as Ravi said, purely through audio, and then we started identifying people who would be able to narrate their stories, right? Whether it was doctors, therapists, educators, countless professionals who had dedicated their lives to the well-being of our families. And so many families we spoke with, each and every parent that we spoke with was absolutely beautiful to listen to their journey and their stories. And today, as I record this 100th episode with Ravi, I am only filled with gratitude that we actually saw this day. Uh, Primarily, it is thanks to Shravan, who has been my greatest teacher. He has shown me how to be resilient, joy, unabundant means full of abundance. He is pure joy personified. He has taught me patience. I'm a very impatient person, but he's taught me to be patient and so much of courage. Shravan, um in his silent way, portrays so much courage that I have learned from him, which I couldn't have learned from anyone. Um, this whole podcast was pushed to be made by Amar, my dearest friend and the founder of MFA, and he insisted that whatever however you can help as many families as possible who have anybody, an individual with disability or any kind of special needs, it should be done.
In fact, I think Chitra, the way Amar pushed you not just for the podcast, आप लोगों ने जो स्पेशल नीड्स चिल्ड्रन के पेरेंट्स के लिए जो सेल भी ओपन किया है.
Yeah, we have a specific practice
Yeah.
dedicated only to taking care of the financial aspects of a family, because in our case it's about planning for two generations, just ours, not just ours, like every single family plans for a husband, wife, and the rest of the help funding for their children's education till a certain point in time, and then after that it is their own retirement. But in our case, we have to provide finances for our children, for our adults, for as long as they are alive too.
In fact, I think I need to tell the listeners and viewers one more thing. Chitra just completed 20 years at MFA, and the journey there has also been absolutely amazing. And like she said, because of Shravan, our journey in life took off in a different way. She met Amar Pandit while she was waiting with Shravan at his school, and he offered her a job. It all started off as a part-time job. Today, she's the CEO of MFA. She's also, of course, uh, trustee of the Forum for Autism. And the Forum for Autism also was formed around 20 years back. So this 20-year journey, and before that, Shravan was born almost 7 years before that. So after a break, Chitra started doing not just what she was doing with Forum for Autism as a parent and being a part of the support group. MFA itself has helped a lot of parents, including us first, in figuring out what to do for our child. Because when we began and somebody told us that श्रवण के लिए आपको करीब करीब इतने करोड़ रुपए रखने पड़ेंगे, तब उस समय में हम लोगों को बहुत बड़ा लगा वो फिगर. और वो सारा कुछ हम लोग अचीव कर पाए MFA की वजह से, अमर पंडित के गाइडेंस की वजह से, चित्रा के वहाँ होने की वजह से, वरना ये नामुमकिन था, सच में बोलें तो.
Very true. And coming to you, Ravi, you stood by me, and every single thought I have run past you. for the podcast, and similarly the team at Talkaholics, everyone, especially people like Freddie and all who have listened to every single
Yeah.
podcast. He's helped in edit it. Even my own team, whether it is Shruti,
Yeah.
Sandhya, Raksha, everyone who has been part of this whole journey. A huge thanks to all of you. And of course, there have been so many others like Beena, of
My
Forum
sister
for Autism.
Usha and
Usha has,
Yeah.
helped me in the initial stages when I was beginning and I was wondering how am I going to do this, and it all seemed so difficult. While you made it so easy and you trained in terms of what to do in front of the camera, Usha was the one who helped with actually, getting the content bang on, and it went ahead. And of course, there are people like Anjali Joshi who listen to every podcast and give me feedback instantly, which has always motivated me over the years.
And I think as listeners and viewers, you need to keep continuing giving the feedback and the love to Chitra, because even if she takes a break now after the 100 episodes, by the way, this Special Needs Children podcast also won an award some time back. I don't know if you know about it. And a whole lot of things have happened behind the scenes as well as with the podcast, and a whole lot of families have written to us saying that you have benefited, which is the only reason why we've been able to go on and on and on with this.
Yeah, I really hope, Ravi, that uh, these entire 100 episodes is going to be able to help benefit a family and somebody. Of course, we've got a lot of feedback over the years, and people have come back saying that this I loved what you said in this particular one, and I even if we have made sense to one single family, I think we've served our purpose.
Absolutely.
And
I think, in fact, the whole point of a podcast is also that it's there for eternity and it's out there. So, for all of you watching these podcasts, go back to the earlier podcasts. You might find some information there which is very useful. There's been something on insurance that Chitra had put up. There have been other special needs adults whose parents have come here. They've talked about what they faced outside in the outside world. It's all very, very amazing. I mean, it's absolutely amazing how each individual has tackled their life.
yeah. So coming to today's 100th episode, I thought we should title it 100 Steps Outside the Door. This is completely in continuity with what we did in the last two episodes. The first one was about Shravan's love for wheels,
Right.
and we shared about his journey from his pram days to flights, and how his love for wheels has made us also prep and travel around the world. The second episode we covered was about how to prep for travel and how anybody can do it, and just with a little bit of care and attention, we can take care of many things that could happen. So today we would like to share about what helps in achieving happiness for us in every trip, about those small modes of transport, or mode of movement, I would rather say, that helped us and helped Shravan. So we were initially very worried about how we would be able to manage our outing. Shravan had a lot of seizures happening, and he was not well at all. And we went through this phase of where he couldn't sit until he was able to actually sit and stand. Was a phase where we had to figure what we wanted to do and how we would manage. We were wondering how to deal with this, but Shravan was very clear. He wanted to be out there. He wanted to be out there.
इनफैक्ट
the
आई
whole-
रिमेम्बर चित्रा, एक दफ़े हम लोग बाली गए थे, अपनी पहली ट्रिप थी शायद,
Yeah.
और वहाँ पे श्रवण को अगर समंदर देखो या पानी देखो तो उसको बहुत अच्छा लगता है, और वो दौड़ पड़ा था समंदर की तरफ.
Yeah.
एंड दैट वाज एट अ टाइम व्हेन ही कुड हार्डली बैलेंस वेरी वेल, पर वो दौड़ता था. और पहले दिन उसको सीजर्स आए थे जब हमने उसको जकूजी में डाला था, उसके बाद निकाला. देन ही रैन टुवर्ड्स द सी, और वो कूदने वाला था कुछ एक बहुत बड़े बने ऐसे इतने बड़े लेज से, और मैंने उसका एक फ़ोटो लिया और फिर जाके उसको पकड़ा, एंड ही वाज हार्डली 7 or
And he
whatever
was
at that time.
laughing. He
Yeah.
was so happy
Happy
and
about it.
thrilled. So, we got him his first, actually, the movement for him was actually to seat him in a car seat properly, which was fully
Strapped
belted
in.
and strapped in, and we could go around with the car very comfortably without wondering how he is, where his hands are, how, his body is, how his spine is, etc. And that, I mean, most families bought a car when they
Yeah.
buy a car when the kid is born, and that's
Absolutely.
exactly what happened for us also with us. Then we started with the pram. I used to take him around Shivaji Park. I don't know how many people would easily recognize us, and we used to go around on the rounds. Then the multiple swings that we put him on, whether to Shivaji Park or across the world, everywhere, wherever we spot a swing, we would run immediately and put him on that.
गार्डन्स देखते थे हम लोग जाके
We
जहाँ
used
भी
to
जाते थे.
purposely search out and look out for gardens wherever we were. Shravan started standing at his age of 6, started walking by 7. So we introduced first the stationary cycle at home to help him in his movement. That time I was reading about Glenn Doman techniques, etc. And that happened, but quickly we then moved on to a regular cycle, which he fell in love with. And till today, he cycles every day, and he loves to cycle. He loves to look around like as if he thinks he's moving around on his own. And of course, he needs some support, but that's one thing that he loves. Of course, the biggest one was the bike.
या एक ज़माने में श्रवण को मैं पीछे बांधता था बाइक से, एक दुपट्टे से बांधता था मेरे बाइक पे और उसको घुमाने ले जाता था, तो वो हाथ ऊपर करके हवा को पकड़ने की कोशिश करता था. And he used to love the bike, but then eventually we had to give it up because he was also very tall and I had a back problem. तो दोनों मिल मिला के हम
And
लोग
he
वो नहीं
was
कर
he
पाते
had
थे.
started trying to touch
टच
the
पीपल, तो उसको
passerby
सैंडविच
vehicles and
कराते
all,
थे
so
हम
we
लोग
had
और
to be
3 लोग बैठ के जाते थे, 3 इडियट्स की तरह उसको बिठा के. तो वो थोड़ा मुश्किल था. ऑल्सो श्रवण लव सॉन्ग्स, तो उसको कहीं भी हम लोग जब जाते हैं तो गाड़ी में बैठते हैं, उसको गाने की
पहला
जरूरत
गाना
होती है.
ऑन होना चाहिए. गाना ऑन हो गया तो श्रवण सेटल हो गया. गाड़ी में अंदर जाना है तो गाना लगाओ, गाड़ी से बाहर निकलना है तो गाना लगाओ, गाड़ी के अंदर मजे करने हैं तो गाना लगाओ. सिमिलर बसेस एंड ऑटोज, बिगेस्ट
जिसमें वाइब्रेशन
वाइब्रेशन जहाँ होता है.
ट्रैक्टर पसंद थे उसको, एक दो जब से कहीं हम
He
लोग
has
कहीं
been
गए
on
थे
a
तो ट्रैक्टर पे
tractor
जाके
also.
बैठता था.
Buses to all over the world again. Of course, our BST buses were his absolute favorites. He used to, at one point, we felt he used to identify the color red very
Red
clearly
very
because he
clearly,
started
yes.
looking at buses on the
बट आई
road.
थिंक उसके बाद जो हॉप ऑन हॉप ऑफ बसेस पे भी हम लोग जाते थे, ही यूज्ड टू
He
प्रेफर
used to
द
be
टॉप
very
ओपन.
happy to go up, sit
ठंड
in
में
the,
वो ऊपर बैठता था.
yeah,
उसका एक दफा नाक पूरा उसका
पूरा लाल हो गया
ये
था.
लाल हो गया था. इनफैक्ट फ्रॉस्ट बाइट हुआ था उसके नाक पे, उसके बावजूद वो
But
ऊपर
he was
बैठा हुआ
willing.
था.
That was
Yeah.
when we were in Paris, where
Paris, yeah.
he actually allowed me to tie the
Scarf
some
around
scarf
him.
around him,
और
and he
एक
wore
टोपी भी
layered
रख लिया था
and
उसने.
wore a
Yeah.
topi also. And
एक
he
दफ़ा
was
ही
up.
ऑल्सो सैट ऑन एन एलिफेंट. नो, हम लोग रुके थे कहीं पे एक एलिफेंट राइड के लिए. इट वाज एन एलिफेंट सैंक्चुरी, दुबारे के पास कहीं पे था, और एलिफेंट आने तक वो ऊपर बैठने के बाद वो सो गया और वो ही वाज स्नोरिंग ऑन द एलिफेंट व्हाइल वी वर रोमिंग अराउंड.
So we have been on many safaris. It has been one of our passion, and Shravan is amazing when he's on a jeep. So the safari jeep, you know how it is, and sometimes you have to speed to go reach somewhere because a tiger has been spotted somewhere. And Shravan used to grin and laugh, and he used to actually hold on tight to the jeep, and we used to wonder, I'm holding on to the jeep with one hand, holding on to him, and Ravi's holding him onto the other side. But he was least bothered. He was like jumping away on the seat, and he used to love to do this. Similarly, we've been on boats, whether it is small boats or larger boats.
where even the water hits his face and he likes
Yeah,
that as
that was
well.
when we did whale watching in Canada.
yeah.
When we were in a regular, smooth sailing in water in Mahabaleshwar or Nainital or Periyar, again tracking wildlife. Or even at the Niagara Falls where the mist was hitting and he was like funnily just holding
माने
on to
हमें
the
जहाँ पे ठंड
raincoat.
लगती है उसको वो चल जाता है. He actually enjoys something like that.
Yeah. Even a cruise ship like in Alaska, which you don't understand the movement, but he knew that something was happening,
And continuously we were out.
he had that constant smile on his face that I'm going somewhere.
So I think most we should tell parents that आप अपने बच्चों को क्या पसंद आए वो खोजिए जाके. और आप जिस तरह से हमने कहा है, कहीं ना कहीं ट्रेन हो, बस हो, जो भी मोड ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट हो. और श्रवण को ना हम लोग हमेशा हेडफोन्स लगा के लेके जाते हैं. उसको हेडफोन्स पसंद भी है, गाना भी सुनता है और वो फिर चुपचाप बैठा रहता है. आप पहले ही से अगर कम उम्र से भी आप ट्राई कर सकते हो. हेडफोन का वॉल्यूम थोड़ा कम रखिए, बहुत ज़्यादा मत रखिएगा क्योंकि कानों के लिए तकलीफ़ हो सकती है. और बच्चों को, खास करके ऑटिस्टिक बच्चों को, अगर म्यूज़िक पसंद आए, वो सॉफ्ट म्यूज़िक हो सकता है. इट नीड नॉट बी वेरी लाउड म्यूज़िक. श्रवण को हिंदी फिल्मी गाने पसंद हैं, वो भी बाद में पसंद आने लगे. पहले वो इंग्लिश गाने भी सुनता था और कुछ कुछ गानों के लिरिक्स बिगिनिंग से वो समझ में आता था उसको. जैसे शैगी का एक गाना था, मैं एक ज़माने में रेडियो में था, तो रेडियो में कुछ गाने बजते हैं जो उसको बहुत आराम से पहचान में आता है. अभी भी मैं अगर गाड़ी में रहूं और चित्रा कार पे अगर फ़ोन पे आए तो वो आवाज़ से पहचानता है और उसको बहुत पसंद है वो चीज़. और हमारे एक दोस्त हैं सैफ, जो हमेशा कहते हैं कि अगर आप आसपास सिर्फ श्रवण के रहोगे भी तो वो सूंघ लेता है आपको। तो अपने बच्चे जो हैं वो अपने को बहुत अच्छी तरह से समझते हैं और जानते हैं। कुछ लोगों को लगता होगा कि जैसे श्रवण के बहुत सारे दोस्त हैं, जो भी उसको हेड मसाज देता है वो उसका दोस्त बन जाता है।
Correct.
और दुनिया भर में ऐसे बहुत सारे दोस्त हैं, बना लिए हैं उसने।
Yeah, very true. Music has been very powerful for Shravan. Thanks to Alka, who told way back when Sahil used to listen to music on his earphones. वहाँ से शुरुआत हुई कि try कर. And we all already knew, as Ravi said, when he was a baby, he used to listen to Krishna Nivegane, and he used to suddenly, calm down, even if he was in. We don't know what kind of pain he was in, but that helped him and soothed him. So moving on, things like very dangerous rides on, say, Disney or at Universal in LA. These were things that we were scared of, but Shravan loved all these rides, and I'm sure even today, if we go somewhere, by maybe Ravi and me are more scared, but Shravan loves the rides more. In trains, whether it has been his first trip on a train was to Bangalore, where we were going to see Usha and my sister-in-law Uma's new house for the inauguration. And that time, again, we were very worried. We had actually booked a first-class compartment for the first time, thinking how will Shravan manage, but he was extremely kicked. Later on, as he aged, Shravan couldn't settle in a train because the constant sound and the vibrations would always
But he
keep him
prefers
alert.
a car's vibrations.
Yeah, that's more smoother for him, but a train vibration is
I
not
think it's
the
also the sound that it creates.
sound
maybe
that it
because of
creates. He is unable to
So I
sleep.
think for other
So
children
it depends,
also,
child to child,
child to child
what
it would
makes
be
sense.
different.
But please try every mode of transport to see what works. The same train in a Europe or a Switzerland, that he could manage very easily. We've done so many trips from Amsterdam to Paris to wherever, to Vienna to Pepi, all of that, and those things have worked out beautifully for him.
So actually, Chitra, to tell people here, it's been people who have also drawn us to places. सो बहुत सारी जगहों पे हमारे दोस्त लोग जहाँ कहीं भी हैं, यूएस में वगैरह हम लोग सोचते हैं कि अरे हम लोग कहाँ जाएंगे। बहुत सारे दोस्त पहले से आके मिलने लगे और कहने लगे कि आप आके हमें मिलो। आप श्रवण को अगर लेके आ रहे हो तो हम लोग अपने घर के दरवाजे आपके लिए खुले हैं। तो आप भी ऐसे दोस्त चुनिए और वो आपको चुनेंगे और बोलेंगे आपको कि आप आइए। When you have a special needs individual in your family, you will right enough see how the family grows. It's like a village. I think when they say that it takes a village to look after a child, when it comes to a special needs child, you will find that the village is a global village. आप दुनिया में कहीं भी जाओ, लोग आपको हेल्प करने के लिए राजी होंगे, प्रोवाइडेड आप खुद भी पॉजिटिव रहो, because you also need to be telling people the positive side of your child. You need to tell them the positive side of your life. ओनली देन विल पीपल अप्रिशिएट इट। आप अगर क्रिब करने वाले इंसान हो तो लोग शायद आपके साथ उतना समय बिताना नहीं चाहेंगे।
Absolutely. So, the people who we always decided to go with people who chose Shravan first, right? And as you rightly said, it was people that decided which place we were going to, right? And it was not about anything else, but the support that people gave us, the kind of families who stood by us, the friends who stood by us, and how beautifully they, would come. And even the way they would invite was so amazing that it really, really helped us.
इनफैक्ट मैं कई बार बोलता हूँ कि श्रवण और मैं दोनों ही बहुत देर से सोते हैं और सुबह भी काफ़ी देर से जागते हैं। तो हम लोग ऑलरेडी यूरोप टाइम में जी रहे हैं। तो कई बार हम लोग जब सिंगापुर एक्चुअली आगे हो जाता है, तो सिंगापुर में तकलीफ हुई हमको। जो पहला ट्रिप था, मैं और श्रवण बहुत थक गए थे और जागना नहीं चाहते थे, जिस दोस्त के घर गए उसके वहाँ पे। पर जब कभी हम लोग यूरोप जाते हैं तो यूरोप हमसे पीछे है। तो समझो वियना गए या एम्स्टर्डम जाते रहते हैं हम लोग मेरी भांजी के पास, तो वहाँ पे वो 3 से 4 घंटे पीछे हैं। तो हम लोग, क्योंकि हम लोग देर से सोते हैं और देर से जागते हैं, वहाँ पे यूरोप के अनुसार हम लोग 7 बजे आराम से जाग जाते हैं।
So whether it has been right from cinema, how halls where we choose which kind of screens would be comfortable. Should we go to an empty kind of a screen where even if he makes a noise, it would be okay? Who will be sitting in front? How many seats? Where which seats to choose?
In fact, even there are times when people keep saying कि नेशनल एंथम के लिए खड़े होना चाहिए, पर बहुत सारे स्पेशल नीड्स इंडिविजुअल्स होते हैं, व्हील चेयर यूजर्स होते हैं, वो लोग रैंडमली खड़े नहीं हो सकते।
In fact, we decided that henceforth for the national anthem, we'll wait outside at the entrance so that we're at least standing, and then we'll walk in. Because once Shravan goes in and sits in, he refuses to stand up. and then it's very difficult because we get all ugly stares all over. Similarly, any other place where we're looking at crowded events, where right from weddings to parties, where there are very loud, where there could be loud music, Pele, we are careful about whom, whether he will be able to adjust there. Because today, even in a moving car, if there's a car honking
He gets
by
very
the
irritated.
side, he gets irritated, and we have to be careful, especially during Ganpati, Diwali, etc. There are
Crackers
crackers,
and
there is a lot of drum beats happening, and we try to avoid all those roads as much as
और
possible.
ज़्यादातर स्पेशल नीड्स चिल्ड्रन का एक आपको याद रखना है कि उनकी सेंसिटिविटी ज़्यादा स्ट्रांग होती है, उनकी टॉलरेंस टू सर्टन थिंग्स, खास करके लाउड नॉइज़ बहुत बच्चों में बहुत बहुत ही कम टॉलरेंस होता है। तो श्रवण इनफैक्ट एक अच्छी बात ये है कि वो मुझे हॉन्क करने नहीं देता, तो गाड़ी में मैं कभी हॉर्न बजाता ही नहीं हूँ। तो एक हिसाब से देखो तो हर घर में अगर एक स्पेशल नीड्स चाइल्ड हो जो आपको बोले कि हॉर्न मत
Horn
बजाइए,
मत
तो
बजाओ.
आपका भी भला हो, सबका भला हो।
Similarly, he loves food, right? So we have visited a lot of hotels, restaurants, just the three of us,
Yeah.
with family, with friends, and there are such favorite places where they look at him, they give him a smile,
Yeah.
because we repeatedly go there. Our favorite place in the whole world, so there's a gypsy in Shivaji Park where they will ask, Kasha hai, and the staff kindness at various such places also is very beautiful.
And it's very evident.
This is actual inclusion, right? When you're able to
absolutely.
sit in and people are completely fine around you.
इनफैक्ट श्रवण के साथ यूजुअली आप अगर अपने भी बच्चों के साथ अगर देखें तो जो वॉचमैन होते हैं, कई बार कुछ लोग होते हैं जो
Right
किसी
from
के
the wheelchair
wheelchair
guys who
users, very
stroll
true,
him
जो
around.
stroll him around.
We have seen people ask about him so gently, talk to him, shake hands with him, and there are some people who are just psyched and they wouldn't do
And
anything
there
at
are
all.
also cases where जैसे अंजी जो हमारे बिल्डिंग में रहता है, उसके बेटे को सुनाई नहीं देता था और उसे लगा कि उसका बेटा शायद ऑटिस्टिक है। जो मुझे आके मिलके उसने ये पूछा था कि क्या मेरा बेटा ऑटिस्टिक है, और हम लोगों ने उसका बेरा टेस्ट करवा के तब पता चला कि उसको
सिर्फ hearing problem.
प्रॉब्लम है। तो कई लोग ऐसे हमें मिलते हैं जो श्रवण की वजह से वो हमको देख के ये पूछते हैं कि
Yeah.
हमारे भी पहचान में कोई एक बच्चा है जो जिसे कुछ हेल्प की ज़रूरत हो सकती है, और उल्टा भी होता है। जो बहुत लोग आते हैं ना, वो कहते हैं तेल मालिश करा लो और ये करो, तो उनसे दूर रहिएगा।
हाँ. Or we have always searched for gardens,
Yeah.
Where we love to walk with Shravan, but again we need specific kind of space where there's enough light, there's not too much of crowd, and he can walk at his own pace, right? And this helps us also to slow down, all of us to slow down together. And nature is so beautiful, it doesn't compare, and it welcomes us, and we feel really blessed to be in this together. So the only thought that we would like to get across to you all is, we stop chasing perfection and the perfect outing, or just stepping out, or going to a friend's place, anything. All of that we stopped chasing. We started only listening to Shravan. We trusted his cues. We went just by that, and we kept choosing his joy again and again and again, whatever he feels happy about, and that overrode any fear that we have.
And I think also the friends you choose, you need to choose them from the basis of how gentle and welcoming they are.
Yeah.
बिकॉज कई बार हमारे बच्चे जो होते हैं उनके दूसरे भी इश्यूज होते हैं। श्रवण में इनफैक्ट नीड टू गो टू द टॉयलेट द मोमेंट ही रीचेस अ प्लेस, देयर कुड बी अदर इश्यूज। वो कहीं एक जगह बैठेगा
The
नहीं।
minute he goes in, he goes and surveys the house,
Surveys the
like,
house.
as if he knows exactly
Yeah.
where what
Yeah.
is. And like Kaushik often says, Orko would always sense a person.
Based on,
So
yeah.
that's the same thing that happens with all of our
Special children.
guys, where kids, where they know just by sense, and there is that one look perhaps that they give you, or there is that one touch, and they know that I'm wanted here, I'm happy here, and I'm loved. And this has happened for us consistently, whether it has been so our family, the way they've stood by us, I can't tell you all, it's been so amazing. Wherever we have gone out, he has his favorite people, he has his Usha, he has his Survi, with whom, who have been there to just chat with him, to just look at him and smile with him and hold hands with him. Then it's similarly when we step out to take care of our elders, our parents at home, My brother's family is always stepped in. Otherwise, we can't step out. So we have always to manage all the people at home. And similarly, even if me and Ravi have to step out for something where we prefer to go to places where Shravan is always invited, but there could be some places where we both need to go and he can't come. At that time, somebody has to be there to help us also, right? So this whole thing has helped us to be open and to step out into the world. And while some outings were perhaps very short, and sometimes they might have ended abruptly, we have never apologized, and we've always, you know if we have to walk out, we walk out. We tell it very peacefully to the person who we're with, and
That we
then
need to go.
we need to go, and they have always understood.
And I think also taking a break for a couple or whoever, तो हमारे साथ ये भी हुआ है, लाइक एक बार हम लोग न्यूयॉर्क में थे और वहाँ पे एक प्ले को जाना था हम लोगों को, तो मेरी भांजी ने श्रवण को उसकी देखभाल की और बहुत आराम से। सो आपके इर्द गिर्द कुछ ऐसे लोग होने चाहिए जो आपके बच्चे के साथ समय बिताने के लिए राज़ी हों और उसके लिए कुछ भी करने के लिए राज़ी हों, क्योंकि उस समय में अगर सडनली उसको क्या चाहिए नहीं चाहिए करके उसके समझ में भी नहीं आता हो, फ़ोन करके पूछा जा सकता है आज की तारीख में, है ना? But the person has to be willing to be there for your special needs person and sit in there, because you will also need a break occasionally. We also need a break occasionally. It's not like we are with him all the time, but yes, wherever we go, we prefer to have him with us.
Yeah, so look for those people in your life, figure out what is it that makes you feel comfortable. See whichever kind of travel that you would love. So we are crazy people who love to travel. I don't know how it is working out for any of you, but do step out of home, do be in the sunlight, do go out, be with people. It's not at all. Don't be scared with one or odd, two odd such things where things didn't work out. But start small. Keep being gentle, but please keep starting and keep stepping out. And everyone might not understand in the world, but your child deserves to be in the part of it, and in the part of the whole world, in between everyone, right? And so, just to sign off, that 100 episodes later, we are still learning, we are still stepping out, and we still choose joy over fear. And we are so grateful that you have all walked with us. Thank you so much.
And just before we both sign off as well, I would like to say that the Forum for Autism is a very, very helpful organization. Look for other parent support groups in your area. कई बार हम लोग फोरम की तरफ से पार्टीज भी होते हैं, दूसरे बच्चों के साथ मिलके हम लोग कहीं कहीं जाते हैं। पर एक बात ज़िंदगी में डेफिनेटली याद रखिए कि हमारे बच्चों की वजह से हम हैं जो बन चुके हैं, और हमारे सारे दोस्तों ने भी यही कहा है हमसे कि श्रवण की वजह से हम आपको एक अलग दर्जा देते हैं, वरना हम लोगों को कोई पूछता भी नहीं था, और जो कुछ भी मिला है हमें उसकी वजह से मिला है। तो हम ये कहना चाहते हैं कि चित्रा has completed her 100th episode, and the reason for doing this whole podcast for her from the first episode till the 100th episode has been Shravan. So let's do a surprise. Why don't we get Shravan in and celebrate your 100th episode?
Absolutely.
चलो, let's
Yeah.
check that out. श्रवण को लेके आए? Okay, चलो।
Pretend.
1, 2,